exercise 5.3, we are going to deal this exercise by a famous formula, that is Sridharacharya method. We are going to solve all questions of exercise 5.3 by this method, means by this formula. If the general given quadratic equations is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then Sridharacharya method says the x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula of Sridharacharya, and we are going to solve all questions of exercise 5.3 by this famous formula. Okay, so guys, let's do it. Question number 1 of exercise 5.3. Okay guys, question number 1. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equals to 0. We have to solve this quadratic equation by using formula, and as you know, the formula is Sridharacharya method, that is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, first of all, we have to compare this formula by the standard general equations, the standard general quadratic equations, ax square plus bx plus c. So I am going to write here the general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, so I'm going to compare the general equation and the given equations. Then I'll get a equals to 2 and b equals to minus 7 and c equals to 6. Okay guys, and the formula of Sridharacharya method, x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, and now I'm going to put all the values of a, b and c in the given formula. Then it will convert into the form minus of the value of b is minus 7 plus minus root over b square means minus 7 square minus 4 into the value of a is 2 and the value of c is 6, then 6 here, upon 2 into the value of a is 2. Okay guys, then it will convert minus of minus 7 is plus 7 plus minus root over minus 7 square is 49 minus 2 into 4 into 2 into 6 will be 4 2 is 8, 8 6 is 48, then it will be 48 upon 2 2 is 4, which is 4, is equals to 7 plus minus root over 49 minus 48 will be 1 by 2 2 is 4, and this will equals to 7 plus, I'm going to take plus minus root over 1 will be 1 by 4, and which is equals to, I'm going to take first positive, then it will be 7 plus 1 by 4, and I'm going to take again a negative sign, then it will be 7 minus 1 by 4. Okay, and which will be equals to 7 plus 1 will be 8 by 4, and again it will be 7 minus 1, which is 6 by 4, and which is equals to 4 2 is 8, then it will be 2, and here is 2 3 is 6 and 2 2 is 4, then it will be 3 by 2. Hence the roots of the given quadratic equation are 2 comma 3 by 2. Okay, this is our answer. Next question is question number third first. The question is given quadratic equation 256x square minus 32x plus 1 is equals to 0, and we have to solve this quadratic equation by the formula, and the formula is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, I'm going to compare this quadratic equation by standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the general quadratic equations, and I'm going comparing with these two quadratic equations. We will get a equals to 256 and b equals to minus 32 and c equals to 1. Okay, and the formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4 into a into c by 2a. Okay, and this is equals to, the value of b is 256, no sorry, the value of b is minus 32, then here will be minus and minus will be plus, then it will be 32 plus minus root over minus 32 is square, minus 32 is square minus 4 into the value of a is 256 into the value of c is 1 divided by 2 into the value of a is 256. Okay, and we are going by simply calculation, which is equals to 32 plus minus root over, the square of 32 is 1024 minus the multiplication of 4 into 256 into 1 will be 1024 also. Okay, which divided by 2 into 256, which is equals to 32 plus minus root over 0, 1024 minus 1024 will be equals to 0, under root 0 will be 0 by 2 into 256, which is equals to, I am taking first positive sign, then after that negative sign, then it will be 32 plus 0 by 2 into 256 comma 32 minus 0 by 2 into 256. Okay, and which will be equals to 2 cancel out, will be, here will be 16, sorry, it will be 32 plus 0 will be 32, and this is 2 into 256 comma 32 minus 0 is also 32 upon 2 into 256, which will be equals to 16 by 256 comma 16 by 256. Okay, 2 16 are 32 and 2 16 are 32. Okay, now this will be equals to 16 upon 16 into 16. Since the 16 square is 256, that's why it will be 16 into 16, again 16 upon 16 into 16, which equals to 16 cancel out by one time, and here is 16 cancel out by one time, then it will be 1 upon 16 comma 1 upon 16. Hence the roots of the given quadratic equation are 1 by 16 comma 1 by 16. This is our answer. Okay guys.